Hi Xhorse fans, MQB-RH850V850 adapter has been released now. With this adapter, there is no need to cut wire or lift pin to read MQB-48, MQB-49 5C dashboards. It supports reading VW 4th Gen Johnson Controls 34XX series, MQB-RH850 R7F series, and MQB-34XS series dashboards. But there is one thing to note, that the adapter can only work with Keytool Plus now. In this video, we'll take the 3426 dashboard as an example to demonstrate how to use the adapter. And you can use it for IMMO programming and mileage repair. This case we need to read two data, original chip data and EEPROM data, which is a little more complicated. Without further ado, let's get started now. First, read original chip data. Now we press IMMO programming on the main screen of Keytool Plus and find Volkswagen. Select by type. Choose MQB Instrument IMMO system and tap on NEC35XX lock. Then we start programming. Check the statement. Confirm that the device is connected to the network and press OK. Enter programmer reads files. Read NEC35XX RH850 chip. Choose Wirebond and find 3426 dashboard. Here will be a connection diagram. Then we follow the connection diagram and remove these four components. Add 10 to solder joints. And solder the cable. Connect an external 5.1 ohm resistor. And then solder the remaining parts. After successful soldering, we can start reading data. Connect the adapter and Keytool Plus. Press OK to start read and go on. Please make sure the adapter and chip are in good connection. You can expand the lock to view the reading progress. After reading successfully, save the file. Second, read EEPROM data. Next, remove the cable and restore the capacitors. Remove the octagonal chip from the dashboard and put it in the EEPROM adapter. Then we start reading the EEPROM data. Connect the adapter and Keytool Plus. Enter programmer reads files. Read 95128 EEPROM. Start reading and save the file. Then tap on Obtaining IMMO data load the original chip file and the external EEPROM data file just read. It'll take a few minutes to calculate the IMMO data. Okay, now the calculation is successful. Just save the IMMO data. It can be used to generate dealer keys and learn key. Lastly, restore the octagonal chip. Okay, the dashboard data was read successfully. There's no doubt that the adapter will greatly facilitate our work. If you're interested, just reach your dealer for the purchase info. See you in the next video.